Hello everyone, welcome to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to create a resume using ChatGPT. So let's begin the video. First, open ChatGPT on your computer or phone, then sign into your account. Now click on the message box and give ChatGPT the information you want to include in your resume, such as you can add your name and professional contact details, education, work experience. You should also mention the job you are looking for, such as create a professional ATS-friendly one-page resume for a graphic designer post, or create a professional resume for an entry-level graphic designer. Now ask ChatGPT to organize your information. Once you have added all of your information, click the send button. Now you can ask ChatGPT to organize your information. You can type create a clean, professional, one-page resume using the information above, or use clear headings, strong action verbs, and simple formatting. ChatGPT will create a resume draft with sections such as your name, professional, summary, skills, experience, and education or projects. To make your resume more relevant, copy and paste the job description into ChatGPT. Then ask, customize my resume for this job. ChatGPT can help match your existing experience to the job requirements. Review your resume and rewrite the section using simple professional language. Keep editing until the resume is clear and relevant. Once you are happy with the content, copy it. Then you can paste it into Google Docs or Microsoft Word or any professional resume template. So there you go. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.